The cream of the skydiving world was in England over the weekend for Bodyflight World Challenge. The challenge is now the biggest indoor skydiving event in the world, where over 40 teams make their way to compete in the championships.
Bodyflight is a fairly new sport where competitors can test their flying and diving skills in a vertical indoor wind tunnel which simulates the free-fall experience of skydiving. The massive wind tunnel for this challenge is located at a former military science facility in North Bedfordshire. It has a diameter of 5 metres and a flight area of 8 metres. Vertical wind tunnel flying requires the same techniques as the sport of skydiving, but practicing free-fall skills in the tunnel is much cheaper and quicker. Each team consists of either 2 or 4 people. Many teams were mixed of men and women. Each team had to follow a set routine, flying against the clock. Judges look for the number of formations, plus grace, style, and an overall faultless performance. In the end, the American team took top honours and the $10,000 first prize, while local boys Bodyflight Mamba took the two-way freestyle title.